Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl TJ. It's your girl TJ. I am back in the building with another motherfucking video. Okay, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to get this bomb egg color. This is so freaking popping. This is fire for the summertime. You know, sometimes you don't want that natural color, you know, you just want something different. So that's what I did. I only colored the closure part. If you guys thought this was a frontal, sis, you wrong. It's a did I say frontal? If you guys thought this was a frontal, sis, it is a closure, period. I don't got no nails, but period. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I got this color. I didn't use bleach, so if you not about that bleach life, just stay tuned as well. Also, I'll show you guys how I melted my closure, you know, because it is bomb. Stay tuned on how I melted it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe. There's a lot of you lurkers. Why are you lurking going on? So go ahead and click that subscribe button, and we're gonna get right into this video. Oh, I got stuck. We're gonna get right into this video, so I will see you guys later. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. Bye. All right guys, so we getting into the star of the show, which is this hair. The hair I have today is from Asteria Hair. I do have their deep wave hair. Y'all know it's summertime. It's time to bring out the curls or whatever. So yeah, I do have this 6x6 closure, which I was super excited to try out. You guys see the baby hairs and all that jazz, y'all. I was super excited because this is like an extended version of a closure. So this will help you get more of that frontal look, that frontal vibes, if you know what I'm saying. So y'all, was super excited. I do have 3 bundles, by the way. I have a 20-inch, a 22-inch, and a 24-inch, and the closure is a 20-inch. So yeah, I'm just taking everything out. I'm running my hands through it. I do my little test. It's soft. It is smell proof, meaning that it is, I be making up languages lingo, but anyway, it doesn't have any type of smell. I wasn't getting any tangles and things like that, so it is good straight out of the package so far. So now we're getting into the dyeing part. Y'all already know how I feel about high color. I just feel like it's just, it doesn't live up to the standard of what it says it's gonna do. But anyway, I'm just mixing all these 3 colors together. These are the 3 I had remaining from, I think, video I did like at least a year ago, I believe. But yeah, I'm just mixing that red shade, sizzling copper, and I'm mixing soft auburn together, and it still made it a red color. So hey, I didn't know what type of color I was going to give me, but I figured that, you know, it's still going to give me the same. I don't know what I was going for, to be honest. I just was like, hey, we got this left over, so we're going to use it up today. Now, I'm quite sure you're supposed to use 20 developer, but I didn't have none, so we're going to put 40 in there, and we're just going to call it a day. So I'm just going to show you guys how I apply it, but before I do that, I'm going to protect the lace, and I went ahead and used some Vaseline. Now, I've seen plenty of people on YouTube use this technique, so I'm like, hey, I'm about to try it out because, you know, I want to step out of my comfort zone. It's time for me to try new things, and I've always used the got2b glue hairspray, so I wanted to try Vaseline because people say that it's A1 and would keep your lace from staining. So we're gonna see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the dye all over the hair, and once we get done with the dye, I will come back and show you guys how I, you know, melt that closure onto my head, okay, to my scalp, make it look like mine or whatever. So yeah. Guys, so you guys are gonna have to bear with me probably throughout the next couple of months because my filming room is very hot. That is like the coldest room in the winter, and it's like the hottest room in the summer, and I don't have AC in that room. So I did actually stain my lace. It stained it, and I did use color oops to try to get it out, but sis, it didn't work at all. It just lightened up certain parts of the hair. So we just gonna have to finesse it the best way we can today. Hopefully you guys learn something. I'm gonna learn something myself because I don't know what the hell I'm doing, but we gonna work it. So today I'm gonna use this wig cap. So I'm gonna do like a the ball cap method just because my lace is stained. So I'm just gonna spray this down. I don't need to do all of it because it is a closure. So I'm gonna put this on to see. I'm gonna put this on to see what it looks like before we even try to do all that. Cause if it's gonna show, then sis, ain't even no point. Now these are just some shears. I don't know what my tiny scissors are. Crazy. Hopefully we could finesse it. So yeah, I'm taking this ColourPop No Filter foundation. This is in the shade Deep Dark 185, and I'm just gonna color this section in with it. I'm using the foundation because I noticed that when you use concealers, it's too bright for me. I feel it looks crazy looking, so I'm just gonna use that. A little really does go a long way. I'm hoping this works, y'all, because if it doesn't, we about to be out here looking all types of shit stupid. I'm not gonna cover the whole thing. To me, it's not necessary, and I'm not parting that far back, but I am gonna blend this out a little more. It's around here. Okay, please. That looks so much better. So as you guys can see, it doesn't look that bad. My roots look a little orange, but sis, we ain't worried about that. So this is how she's looking. This side is really red though, and this side is a little bit more natural. So yeah, I'm gonna take some hairspray and I'm gonna I'm gonna spray each section down so it could be like this. Okay, so I'm gonna set my scarf on it so it can melt a little more. I'm gonna fix up my forehead area because I didn't F that up. And you're gonna make sure your scarf is super duper tight because sis. Okay, so this is what we looking like, and I'm loving this color. Like, okay, I put my chair up a little bit. This pop of color, sis, it is bomb AF. Now, I feel like some of my edges is sticking out. I think I'm gonna do like light baby hairs. I'm not gonna do nothing too much because sis, no one has time for that. Red. So I'm gonna take my little edge brush and we're just gonna whoop-de-doop-doop some baby hairs. Not like I said, I want to do them lightly because I still want to keep it like the melted look, if that makes sense, and do it lightly so it's not, you know, that noticeable. So we're just gonna spray a little brush or whatever. And we go. Hello. You know, ooh, sis, that is pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. Like, that is freaking pretty. Like I said, I'm just gonna do my my curly hair routine. These curls are pretty down here. Like, I don't even want to touch them. I love when your hair dries and it just gives you that bomb curly pattern. I just co-washed it and air dried it, and sis, them curls came out like that. Period. It was on fleek. So I'm just putting water on it. Alright guys, so my shirt don't match, of course, because it's got pink on it, but I just wanted to change my shirt so you guys can get the fullness of this hair. It is so freaking pretty, and I'm in love with the curl pattern. Like I said, I got some shedding when I was detangling, not too much. I didn't have any problems with it tangling up on me at all. Yeah, so this is the results of me slaying my way with you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you did. Give me a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.